Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to find your YouTube channel ID and user ID. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, to do this, you've got to head over to your web browser on your phone, type in studio.youtube.com, and go ahead and head to it. That'll bring up your channel dashboard, and then zoom in a bit, you might need to, and then click on to the gear icon, bottom left hand corner of your screen. And then click on channel. And then after you've hit channel, click on advanced settings. And then scroll down the bottom of advanced settings and it will say manage YouTube account. So click on to that. So bring up another page. Just wait for it to load. And then on the left hand corner of your screen, you'll see settings here. Just click on advanced settings. And there you go, there's my user ID and there's my channel ID. So that's it guys, how to find your channel and user ID for YouTube. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to the channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.